Hi there, I'm Laura from 5 out of 4 Patterns, and we are prepping for another sew along. That's right, another sew along. I love sew alongs. They're just so fabulous. I get to connect with you, you get to connect with me, and we all get to have fun making something super awesome. We also answer any questions that you might have along the way, which is really great when you're making something for the first time. Now, here's something exciting. We have a sponsor for this sew along, and it is Stitchin' Pretty's Fabrics. We really love their fabrics. I'm gonna post the link to Stitchin' Pretty's in the description box below, so you can head over there and you can check out their fabric. It's pretty awesome. And I will be using Stitchin' Pretty's fabric for this sew along specifically. I'm very excited. So what we've done is we have separated the Sherry top and dress tutorial, if I can get all that out, into 5 separate sections. The first section, as always, is printing, assembling, cutting out the pattern, and cutting out the fabric. Day 2, we're going to create the bodice. Day 3, we're going to work on the shoulder and side seams. Day 4, we'll tackle the neckband and the sleeves. And day 5, we'll finish it up with something simple. We're just going to hem the thing. Oh, and we'll also take some pretty fabulous photos. I'm very excited about this make, and I hope that you are too. And if you want to join us and you haven't gotten your pattern yet, I will also link that in the description box and in the blog posts so that you can get your hands on the fabulous pattern. Now, if you look at me, I'm actually wearing my most recent Sherry top that I made. I really love this top. It's super comfortable. It's super pretty. It's super feminine. It's all the things that I love, and I know that you will love too. So join us at the Sherry Top and Dress Sew Along.